Okay, Miss, today we are going to do the evaluation for all the topic this week. I will check from science, math, and mathematica. So now we start from the homework of science. You can start from the question number one, Miss.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Toxic substances can be broken down easily in the bodies of living things. False, because toxic substances cannot be broken down easily and they stay inside the body. Toxic substances can build up in animals at the end of the food chain. True, mercury can enter plankton when factories release waste into the water. True, if cows eat contaminated plants, the pesticide can move into their milk. True, DDT is still used in many countries because it is safe for humans. False, because DDT was banned in many places due to its dangers to human and plants. Is the build-up of substance in an organism over time bioaccumulation?
Oh,
Chemical element with the symbol Hg is mercury, poisonous or harmful to living things, toxic. Harmful pesticide that is no longer widely used is the DDT. Toxic substances can move through a food chains or web.
okay, this one.
How can natural pesticides be less harmful to the environment? Natural pesticides come from the plants that can break down faster and then less toxic to living things. How can remote sensing help scientists study food chains and food webs? Remote sensing shows changes in ocean or land, helping scientists track the pollution and human health. Explain how mercury enters the food chain. The factories release the waste called as mercury. The mercury will absorbed by the plankton and then the smaller fish will eat plankton. Why are animals at the end of the food chain most affected by toxic substances? Because they eat many smaller animals. They eat many smaller animals that can build up more toxin in their bodies.
Okay, now I'll move to math. So here we have the question, Miss. Yeah.
A plus B equals 10. If B equals to 2, what is the value of A? This will be 10 minus 2 equals to B, 8 meters. If a box weighs 1.25 kilogram and another box weighs 3.75 kilograms, what is the total weight of both boxes? 5 kilograms. Sarah has 20.5 liters of juice. She uses 7.3 liters for a party. How much juice does she have left? Um, this will be 13.2. What is 3.5 plus 2.4? 5.9. What is the new temperature? If the recorded temperature was negative 8 degrees Celsius and it is now 2 degrees Celsius lower, it will be minus 10.
I understand, yeah.
If the thermometer shows a rise of 20 degrees Celsius from my negative 10 degrees Celsius, what is the new temperature? It will be 10. You have a bag that weighs 5.5 and you remove 3.3 kilogram from it. What is the new weight? 2.2.
Okay.
A car fuel tank starts at 10 liters if it's filled with 4.6 liters and then 3.2 liters are used. How much fuel is left in the tank? It will be 6 minus 2 for okay, 1.4. 11.4
Yeah,
liters.
11.4.
Math sentence with an equal signs equation, distance around a shape, perimeter, adding two or more numbers together add, taking one number away from another is subtract. The temperature in the morning was 5 degrees Celsius. By afternoon, it increased by 12 degrees Celsius. What is the new temperature? it will be 17 degrees Celsius. Calculate the change in temperature if the temperature start negative 10 degrees Celsius, rises by 5, it will be minus 5, and then drops by minus 13, negative
Minus
13.
10, yeah.
A bottle holds 1.5 liters of juice. If you pour out 0.75 liters, how much juice is left in the bottle? It will be 0.75 liters.
0.75, yeah, that's correct. Okay, now we move to Mathematica. Oke, Miss. Pertanyaan pertama.
Rasio 2:5 sama artinya 2 dibagi 5. Rasio 4:8 disederhanakan menjadi 1:2. Perbandingan 6:3 sama dengan 2:1. Jika jumlah kelereng Ani dan Budi 30 dengan rasio 2:3, maka kelereng Ani adalah 2. Sorry, I need more burden.
We don't have.
Oke, 2/5 kali 30. 6 kali 2, 12.
12, ya.
Rasio 12:16 disederhanakan menjadi sama-sama dibagi 6, sama-sama dibagi 4, 3:4.
Ya.
Dalam sebuah kelas, jumlah siswa laki-laki dan perempuan 12:18, rasionya disederhanakan sama-sama dibagi 6, 2:3.
2:3, oke.
Jika satu buku seharga 10.000, maka perbandingan 3 buku dan 1 buku adalah 3:1. Rasio 45 menit dengan 1 jam, 3:4.
Ya.
Perbandingan umur ayah 40 tahun dan anak 10 tahun adalah 4:1. Jumlah pensil dan ballpoint di sebuah kota adalah 15 dan 20. Rasio pensil dan ballpoint 15:20 disederhanakan menjadi 3:4.
3:4, oke.
Bila dua perbandingan bernilai sama, disebut kesamaan rasio. Dua besaran berubah dengan perbandingan sama itu sebanding. Jika rasio A banding B 2:5 dan A adalah 8, berapa nilai B? 8 bagi 2, 4, 4 kali 5, 20.
Oke.
Perbandingan kelereng Dita dan Rani 3:4. Jika Dita punya 12 kelereng, berapa kelereng Rani? 12 dibagi 3, 4, 4 kali 4, 16. Rasio panjang dan lebar sebuah persegi 5:2. Jika panjangnya 25, berapa lebarnya? 25 bagi 5, 5 kali 2, 10.
Okay, I think that is all clear for this homework. Maybe we can move to book first. So I will open the question from the math book. It will be taken from 96, 69. Can be open. Okay, maybe we can solve this question. This question number 2.
Okay, the letters M and N represent positive whole numbers. M is less than 10. Find all possible values of M and N that satisfy each equation. Because M is less than 10, the answer 5. It can be 3 plus 2, M3, and N is 2. And also it can be 4 plus 1. The possible answer can be accepted.
Yeah, 3 and 2
2 and 2, 4 and 1, 2 and 3.
Yeah.
M minus N. M subtract N equals to 7. It can be 8 minus 1, 8 and 1, or I think 9 and 2 as well.
9 and 2. So only two possible values, right? Since the M is less than 10.
Less
Yeah.
than 10.
Okay, so I see. Yeah. About this question, Miss?
The border of a tablecloth is decorated with lace and has a perimeter of 8 centimeter, whereas stands for an unknown number. Is this possible? Show an example by drawing its shape to convince your partner. Yes, it's possible. As we know, this picture is rectangle. So the perimeter 2 times in the brackets will be breadth and width.
Yeah.
So we can make the breadth equals to 3s, and the width is the breadth 3s and the width is s. So 2 times 4s equals to 8s centimeter.
Yes, yeah. Okay, I think it is clear for this addition and subtraction topic. So since there is no summary point for this week, now we move to vocabulary list. Okay, now we have the vocabulary list here. I will start from Matematika first. Sebanding.
Sebanding jika dua besaran berubah dengan perbandingan yang sama. Dua besaran atau dua bilangan dikatakan sebanding jika kenaikan atau penurunan nilai pada salah satu besaran diikuti oleh kenaikan atau penurunan besaran yang lainnya secara konsisten. Contohnya 2:5 sebanding dengan 4:10.
Oke. Kesamaan rasio.
Kesamaan rasio terjadi jika dua perbandingan memiliki nilai yang sama. Kesamaan rasio terjadi jika dua perbandingan memiliki nilai yang setara, membantu kita dalam memahami atau mengerti hubungan antar bilangan dan memudahkan kita menyelesaikan soal tentang proporsi atau perbandingan. Contohnya itu 3:4 sama dengan 6:8.
Okay, next we move to science. We have pesticide.
Pesticide is the chemical pesticide, chemical materials that used to kill the pests but harmful the crops. The pesticides can protect the plants but also can harm to the plants, animals in that ecosystem, in that crops. For example, the farmer sprayed the pesticide to the crops.
Toxic.
The chemical materials that damage the living things. Toxic can lead the illness or death to the animal, plants, or humans when they introduce the ecosystem into the ecosystem. For example, snake venom is extremely toxic.
Bioaccumulation.
Bioaccumulation build up of a substance in an organism over time. Bioaccumulation occurs when the toxins are absorbed faster than they are eliminated, leading higher concentration in organism. For example, fish contains mercury through the bioaccumulation.
Okay, now we move to math. We have equation here.
Equation, math sentence with equal signs. Equation shows two expressions are the same. Help solving the problems with unknown numbers. For example, find the equation for x.
Perimeter.
Perimeter, distance around a shape, round object. Perimeters is the total length of all sides of 2D shapes like square or rectangle. For example, find the perimeter of the rectangle.
Okay, token.
Token is small item used for exchange. In problems, tokens represent point or values to get something like jelly beans in a machine. For example, use tokens for activity group.
Okay, Miss. Yeah, I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, sir.